How to hide and unhide notes on Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're also wondering how you can follow the steps. So for that you can head over to Messenger application, open it up, and then once you open it up, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So from the given interface here, you will be finding a note section here, and if any friends have posted it, you'll be finding right across this post a note section. So if you want to hide someone's note on Facebook Messenger, all you gotta do is, if they have posted it here, you gotta long press on their profile, and once you do, you should be finding this options. So from the given options, go ahead and select the option that says block hide contact, tap on it, and here you can go ahead and tap on confirm this hide, and when you do that, that person's note will be hidden. And once that is done, if you want to unhide it, you can head over the menu bar in the bottom right corner, and from there go to settings, and after going to settings you can scroll down, head over to the option that says privacy and safety, tap on it, and once you tap on it, under safety and well-being you should be finding option called hidden contacts. Go ahead and tap on it again, and from here go ahead and tap on this unhide option, tap on it, and that's it. That is how you hide and unhide contacts, your notes on Facebook Messenger. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.